Hey, I hope you're well. Um, just thought I'd touch base, let you know what was happening because we'll be back at school in a couple of weeks. We're kind of running out of work that we can do online. I've left bits and pieces here and there that we have to do at school because it's much easier. There's lots of graph work and things like that it's much easier to do um, by hand instead of online. So this is a new unit of work, and it's called Further Algebra. Okay, so it's going to be some harder algebra. For those of you who struggle with algebra, I'm just letting you know that we're going to start doing some harder work now when it comes to algebra. Um, we haven't finished rates and ratios because I said earlier that there are some things like graphs we need to draw, and those things are a lot easier to do when we're inside a classroom. So we will be returning to some of the other topics that we have done, only because there were things I skipped out on because we just couldn't do them in online. It was just too difficult. So we will go back over some of the work that we have done while we've been online when we get back to class, and we'll spend a few weeks on those sorts of things and start our new topics. And we're pretty much on time in terms of what we have to get done before the end of the year. So we haven't really lost any time at all, just moved things around. We're well ahead of any of the other Year 9 classes at the moment. I think we're at least a full topic ahead of those. But we also are doing things like this extra algebra topic that we're doing now, and we're going to have to go back and do some surds as well, if you remember those from term 1 or term 2. Anyway, today's lesson should be easy for most of you. It's just some basic review questions on algebra. I just want you to go through those. I've got the answers ready to go and release those very shortly, so you can check how you're going. Again, if you're not sure what you're doing, email me your questions. I'll video answers for you. A number of you are doing that, which I appreciate, but I'm sure there's a lot of others of you who need that help, and a quick video lesson on something is very beneficial. One last thing, you should have those exams you did last week. I should have those marked and given back to you on Wednesday, or I think on Thursday, whichever our period is this week, maybe Thursday. Should have them back by Thursday this week. Okay. Enjoy your day, and let's get started with some algebra.